Nigel Farage, we don't want much. We want a country where a job pays enough to live off, where you can go to work safe in the knowledge your boss can't sack you if you don't take a pay cut, where you know how many hours you're getting each week so you can plan your budget, where if you get sick, you don't have to force yourself into work because if you don't, you won't get paid, where if you want to start a family, you can because there is decent maternity and paternity pay, and where you can freely join a trade union without threats of intimidation from management. For workers like me, that sounds pretty reasonable, but for some reason, Nigel Farage voted against all that. He wants to drive down the minimum wage in the middle of a cost of living crisis. He wants to rip up regulations and let his mates in the city do what they want, and he wants to bring back Tory austerity. We've heard it all before. I'm not falling for him.